Hello everyone, in this video we are going to explore TubeBuddy, so let's dive right in. TubeBuddy is a browser extension that integrates seamlessly with YouTube, adding a whole bunch of powerful features on top of what YouTube Studio already offers. TubeBuddy actually has a free plan that gives you a taste of what it can do. You can optimize your video titles and descriptions with suggested tags, run basic competitor research, and even schedule your videos to be published later. However, the real magic happens with the paid plans. These unlock features like bulk editing, A/B testing thumbnails, advanced competitor analysis, and even card templates to keep your viewers engaged. Here are some of the key features that make TubeBuddy so helpful. TubeBuddy helps you find the perfect keywords to target, improve your video ranking, and get discovered by more viewers. TubeBuddy provides bulk editing, card templates, and end-screen automation. These features save you tons of time on repetitive tasks. TubeBuddy provides a competitor research feature, allowing you to see what your competitors are doing and what's working for them. With TubeBuddy data and analytics, you can gain deeper insights into your audience and how your videos are performing. With TubeBuddy community features, you can connect with other YouTubers and learn from their experiences. For beginners, the free plan offers a good starting point. You can experiment with some basic features and see if TubeBuddy helps your workflow. If you're taking YouTube seriously and want to see consistent growth, the paid plans offer a lot of value. The time saved and the insights gained can be a game changer. And there you have it, we have successfully uncovered the TubeBuddy. Feel free to try the TubeBuddy by the provided link in the description. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.